Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing part 3, railroad crossings. Now the right, we just have just like a normal traffic light with the um, right turn 3-section traffic light. So we have gate that goes up here, almost the same height as the 29 sided crossing from the last video. And what you do, I just push it towards this way and it'll just start going down and it'll go back up. And you might think this is weird, but there is such thing as a hinged gate. And that's this right here. This piece will open up as soon as you put the gate down. Oh, whoopsie daisies. Yep. So, forgot about it. I'll fix it later, so enough. There it goes. Alright, that was Railroad Crossings. See y'all later for part 4. Bye.